Plant family, 169 genera in Melastomataceae. A journey into the enchanting world of Melastomataceae. As a nature enthusiast and a devoted gardener, I, Ferb Vu, have always been captivated by the diverse and vibrant flora that graces our planet. Amongst the countless plant families that adorn our landscapes, the Melastomataceae, also known as the meadow beauty family, holds a special place in my heart. With their striking foliage, exquisite flowers, and ecological significance, these plants have enthralled botanists and horticulturists for centuries. Join me on a journey as we explore the fascinating world of Melastomataceae and delve into their unique characteristics and ecological roles. Melastomataceae, an overview. The Melastomataceae family comprises a vast array of flowering plants, encompassing approximately 169 genera and over 5,000 species. These plants are predominantly distributed in tropical and subtropical regions worldwide, with a particular concentration in the neotropics. They exhibit a remarkable diversity in growth forms, ranging from small herbs and shrubs to towering trees and woody vines. Melastomataceae plants are renowned for their distinctive features, including their opposite leaves with characteristic parallel venation and their showy flowers with numerous stamens. Genera of Melastomataceae, a rich tapestry. The Melastomataceae family boasts a rich tapestry of genera, each with its unique charm and ecological adaptations. Myconia, this genus is the largest within the Melastomataceae family, comprising over 1,000 species. Myconia plants exhibit a wide range of growth forms, from shrubs and trees to epiphytes and lianas. They are recognized for their beautiful foliage, often with contrasting venation patterns, and their clusters of small, vibrant flowers. 1906 species in genus Myconia. Tibucina, commonly known as the princess flower or glory bush. Tibucina plants are prized for their stunning, large, purple flowers. These shrubs or small trees are native to South America and are widely cultivated as ornamentals in tropical and subtropical gardens. Medanilla. This genus encompasses a diverse group of epiphytic or terrestrial shrubs and vines. Medanilla plants are admired for their pendulous inflorescences adorned with showy bracts and delicate, bell-shaped flowers. They are often grown in greenhouses or as houseplants due to their exquisite beauty. 368 species in genus Medanilla. See full list at monsteraholic.com. Ecological significance of Melastomataceae. Melastomataceae plants play a vital role in their ecosystems, contributing to biodiversity and ecological balance. Their flowers attract a plethora of pollinators, including bees, butterflies, hummingbirds, and bats. Their fruits serve as a valuable food source for various animals, including birds, mammals, and insects. Additionally, Melastomataceae plants often form symbiotic relationships with mycorrhizal fungi, enhancing nutrient uptake and promoting plant growth. Conclusion. The Melastomataceae family stands as a testament to the wonders of nature, showcasing an extraordinary diversity of forms, colors, and ecological adaptations. From the vibrant flowers of Tibucina to the pendulous inflorescences of Medanilla, these plants captivate the senses and enrich our landscapes. As a passionate gardener and admirer of the natural world, I encourage you to explore the enchanting realm of Melastomataceae and discover the beauty and significance of these remarkable plants.